I'm Janae Tires with Tires Essentials, and today we're going to try making shower steamers with the bath bomb press. Okay, so these are my ingredients. I have everything measured out already. I'm using the recipe for the basic bath bomb for my shower steamers. It's pretty much the same. I have my baking soda here, and then about half of the weight of this baking soda is the citric acid. I have about 7 grams of lavender essential oil. I'm going to melt this menthol crystals down and do about 1 gram of that. I'm going to sprinkle my mica covered coarse sea salt, and we're using Eat Cake by Muddy Micas to color these, and some lavender essential oils. So let's get started. Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the baking soda into our mixer. I'm gonna put all of that in there. And then we're gonna put in our citric acid in here, right? Beautiful. And I'm just gonna kind of pre-mix this with my own whisk, because I don't want this to like be powder everywhere. This literally would be crazy powder everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna add about 1 gram of the melted menthol into the essential oils here. Okay, and then I'm just going to slowly mix these in, and I'm just doing this by the whisk so that we don't get powder everywhere, you guys, because that would be ridiculous. Okay. And then we're just gonna let the mixer do the rest of the work. All right. And I'm just gonna see how that does. Okay, so that's not holding together quite yet. So what I'm gonna do is give these a couple of sprays with the witch hazel. Okay. And now I'm just giving it a little squeeze with my hands to see if we're getting a stick yet, and it's not sticking quite yet. Okay, so I'm gonna actually work this with my hands the rest of the way until I can get this to bind together. And I'm just gonna rub it together in my hands until I feel it hold. My sprayer is not spraying the best right now. That's why I'm doing so many sprays. Okay, so it's getting there. Okay. It's getting there. Let's do a couple more sprays. Just a couple more sprays here. Okay. And I just give it some really good squeezes. Okay. That feels pretty good. And now, just gonna separate a little bit of it out. I'm gonna separate about 6 ounces out of this out so that I can create the middle color. because I want to create like a layered look. Maybe about 9 ounces. I want a little bit more. About 9 ounces. That should be good. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this muddy mica colorant in here. Like literally like just a splash. See that? Just a light splash. Maybe like a eighth of an inch or an eighth of a teaspoon. Because that's all it takes. Look how fast it changes the color. And I'm not going to be too particular about mixing this in evenly, because I don't want this to dry out on me, but I just want to get it like a little variation so it's not all one solid color of a shower steamer. Okay, that's beautiful. Let's go over to the press. Okay, so we have our air pressure compressor set to 65 psi. I've got my mold prepped here, and what I'm going to do is just going to take a little bit of my colored salts, like a pinch, and I'm just going to put them down here in the bottom. And this is going to be a little bit of design, maybe one more pinch. Okay, I'm so excited. And then we're going to take about a handful of our mixture here, and we're going to put that in, and I'm going to give it a decent size press in there. And then we're going to take a little bit for a little colored layer in between, and I'm just kind of like smoothing it out, but not all the way smooth because then it won't stick together very good. Okay, and then we're going to finish up with some more white. So just like 3 layers. I don't know if you can see that, but some more white. Okay. And then I'm going to put our little piece in here. And we're going to put it in to the bath bomb press. Let's see how it does. Okay. Pressing the safety switch. And one more time. All right. And here's the magic moment. Let's see what comes out of this baby. How to unmold this. It's beautiful and smooth on the bottom. Beautiful texture on the top. And I'm just gonna kind of push this with the other one. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. And voila, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I think I'm gonna do a little less when I first put it in of the white, a little bit more of the purple, a little bit more of the white. Let's give it a try. Sprinkles. My pretty color at the top. Love how that turned out. I'm liking it so far though, you guys. This is working out great. Mixture's still nice and moist, so it's holding together. Maybe like a little bit of loose powder so that it sticks together. Okay, and then a little bit of the purple. Remember I said I want to do more purple this time, because I do want a decent layer in there. Do want a decent layer. So nice purple layer. Okay. And then a little sprinkle, some loose powder, so we got something to adhere both layers. And we're gonna finish up with some more white. Okay, so that's packed in pretty good. Packed it in a little tighter. Got my layers a little different. Okay. And we're gonna do it again. Okay. So it didn't go down as far this time. Take this side off. Beautiful. I'm just gonna push it down so it doesn't go all the way in. There we go. Pushed it down. Let it fall back out. Oh, but I wanna use this to push it out. Beautiful. Okay, that's a nice shape there, guys. Beautiful. Oh, I like that. See the difference on how we molded that one? Let's see if we can do another one like this. I like that. Beautiful. Press it all the way through. Oh, it didn't turn out so bad. Oh, I forgot to put the color. Oh my gosh. I forgot to put the pretty stuff in. All right, we're gonna get it right this time. And a couple of sprinkles of our beautiful salts that are already decorated in purple mica. We're gonna put in a handful of the white. We're gonna smash her down really good in there. Smashing that in there. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of loose powder so that it adheres to the next layer, which is the purple. Putting a handful of the purple in. Okay. Gonna put in some purple. Beautiful. Smoothing it out, trying to get a nice layer. Gonna put some loose powder in here so it sticks together. And then let's do another handful of the white. Okay, smashing it good. And I weighed it and it was about 5.5 ounces. I'm gonna put our plunger in, or whatever this baby's called. Okay, and let's give it a go. Okay, then this is as far as it'll go. And then I'm gonna take this side off. Now we got our beautiful crystals in there. And then I'm going to press this through. And that just kind of broke the seal, I think. And now I think I can push it all the way through. This is what I've been doing. I'm not sure if this is the right way. Okay. And there she is. There she is. Beautiful. Okay, we got 2 consistent ones. All right. So they've been at about 5.5 ounces. Let's see if we can achieve the same size. Put a few dashes of pretty salts. It doesn't take a lot of salt. Let's put in the white. It's getting a little dry on me, so I'm trying to break it up a little bit. White first. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of loose powder so that they adhere. And then we're going to put in our purple. A nice little handful of purple. For our lavender color. Purple is like my favorite color. It's just, you know, pretty and relaxing. Perfect for just about anybody. Like, everybody loves purple, I think. I haven't met anybody who doesn't like purple. You know what I mean? Okay. And then, so we put a little loose powder on top. And now we're going to finish off with our final layer of white. Beautiful. I'm getting a little messy because I'm trying to go fast because it's drying up on me. It's still sticking together, though. That's good. Okay. And then let's do a little bit more, because I want them to be all about the same size. Okay. Okay. Might have to fill that up a little too tight. Let's see how strong this press is, because I can't push it down with my hand. We'll see if the machine is stronger than man. Ready? It is going down. Look at that. That is pretty strong. Stronger than my hand. Okay. So now that finished, let's unmold this one. So again, I'm just gonna take the back off. Beautiful again. And I'm gonna push down on the, I don't know if this is the right way. I'm gonna keep investigating to see if this is the right way to unmold them, but it's working for me so far. So I'm just gonna push that out of there. Ooh, all the way up. Very strong. It's got a beautiful base, beautiful color in the middle, and beautiful salts on the top. And these shower steamers, I mean, they work just like a bath bomb, really. I mean, it's just that people don't have time to take baths all the time. So the shower steamers are great. And with our upcoming allergy season, I really love using these. They just really kind of make you feel like you can just breathe more deeply. Okay, let me not forget my little colored salts. I think I might have enough to get one more out of this. And we're gonna do white. Okay, so this is gonna be a thin white because I'm almost out of white. And we're gonna do purple. A lot of purple this time. Whole lot of purple. Might be a little unbalanced, but it's right. It still looks nice. Okay. And loose powder there. And we're gonna finish off with the white. This is all I got left. This is the end of the batch. Put all that on there. Get all that good stuff. We're not wasting, well, we wasted a little bit on the table, but get as much as we can into the mold. Okay. And put this in. I'm just always making sure that I'm putting the side in that has the little bevel. Okay. A little crunchy, but I think our press can handle it. Okay. One time. Last time. Got a ghost in here, you guys. All right, so we're gonna again take the bottom piece off. Beautiful, nice. And then we're just gonna try to break the seal on the back of here. Okay, and then I'm gonna push it all the way through, and then I'm just gonna, because it's really solid. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very solid already. I'm just gonna kind of break got a little stuck on the bottom, but I think that's because I need to clean this part better. But I think that'll be all right. And that's our last one. Beautiful. As you can see, the bath bomb press did the job, you guys. It totally did it. So it rose to the occasion. It was able to do the notorious shower steamer, okay? And look, super cute, super beautiful, solid as a rock. First time, this is my first try with it's like a blend of my recipe and their recipe, just slight minor changes, but you can totally do it. So I say, give it a try too. We offer these in our shop. They are some of our best sellers, especially for Mother's Day. So if you're in Norco, stop by, give them a smell. They're really strong and really fresh. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe, because we're going to try to do more and more videos like these where you can see our behind the scenes, the whole process. It's so much fun. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.